You do? We just finished recording.
Oh, ow.
And my key is nowhere to be found. This lemon yogurt is my favorite yogurt.
Better than Go-Gurt?
I haven't had Go-Gurt in a long time. Oh! Hey guys, and welcome back to another weekly vlog. We're starting off this Saturday doing many things. My friend Sophie is heading over. Oh, she might be here. Hold on. We're starting off the morning about to film a podcast. My friend Sophie is coming over. You guys have been wanting to have actors come onto the podcast to tell their story on how they live here in LA, how they financially do it, all the details, and I feel like she's the perfect guest to do that. Guys, look at what this angel brought me. She's backlit right now, don't mind, but look, I'm living my best life. I'm so excited. We're gonna kill this. How do I move to LA if I'm financially doing it by myself, and acting, if you're trying to get into acting. And
In January of 2021, the first thing I booked was a Lil Durk music video. If you guys know Lyrical Lemonade, Cole Bennett.
We just finished recording. It was a sick episode.
Oh, so sick.
Yeah, you guys are gonna love to hear. I don't know when it's gonna be on actually, so we'll let you know, but pre-record. Now I'm super hungry. I'm gonna make a bacon, egg, and cheese bagel because Chris and I went to Costco yesterday and we stocked up on everything. I'm currently alone. I'm gonna go ahead and catch up on the last episode of the And Just Like That Sex and the City reboot. Such a good show. One of my favorites at the moment that I'm watching. I just realized that was actually the season finale, which made me really sad. Like halfway through, I was like, all these changes are getting kind of big. Like, are we okay? Season finale. I'm so smart. As of right now, I don't really know what I'm doing for the rest of the day, but I do have 2 auditions that I got through Actors Access that I'm gonna go ahead and prep for. I still haven't read one of the other sides yet, but they're both due Monday. I'm gonna learn it and do all the prepping right now because I have nothing else to do. What did you need? Nothing? Okay, that's fine. Did you want to leave your bag here? Okay.
Nothing could ever keep us from partying, leaving this romance behind. But now you're gone, and all I have is time.
If there's one thing I can do, it's make some gourmet ramen to make me feel better. So, the vlog definitely ended abruptly yesterday. I was supposed to go to a party with my friends, but I wasn't going to talk about this on social media because honestly, it's really not anyone's business at all. But like, yesterday was a really hard day for me. But I do want to show the reality of just life and people going through your life in cycles, because that just happened to me yesterday. I've had some best friends for a really long time, people that I could trust with my entire life, people that I've never been closer to in my entire life. All of a sudden, I don't have them in my life anymore. It happened within a couple of hours, and I made the executive decision to just be on with my life, because that's all you can do. And if people are really meant to be in your life, something will bring you back together. But the way that it happened was just extremely ridiculous. Like yesterday, it felt like I had like 3 heart attacks. Like I was crying all day long. And I don't think they were crying about me. So yeah, my entire day got flipped around, and Everything that I wanted to do yesterday just did not happen. Period, point blank, this just isn't high school anymore. I don't have the time to put loving energy into something, especially when I've been mentally dealing with my own personal stuff for the past like 2-3 months that I've been going through. I hadn't even spoken to them in like a month, like 2 months, because I was personally dealing with so much stuff. I was recovering, coming back to LA, and just figuring out my life, and that was why I personally distanced myself. But supposedly I was being distanced for other reasons that supposedly dealt with me that I had no idea about. And sometimes communication just falls through. Mercury was just in retrograde, and funny enough, it actually ended yesterday, and I was like, oh, things are gonna be so good, and then that happened, and I was like, well, I guess this is the finale, because like, what the hell? I decided to just completely cut myself off. And that may be a form of ghosting, but at this point, I think I made my peace. I'm still emotionally just not in a place to mess around with this. Sometimes you just have to pick and choose your life battles. And this one, I wanted to fight for so hard. Dude, I just want to say everything I want to say right now, but I can't. And I wish I could. I was supposed to record an audition this weekend. I'm just gonna do it today. Chris just left the apartment because he was actually supposed to help me with the audition, but like, I'm mentally just not in a space for anyone to help me right now. So I'm doing it by myself. I have to just keep going. So today I did get up out of bed. I went to a babysitting gig. It was really, really fun, from like 9 to like 12, and it was so fun. I got to sit like 25 kids with like 5 other sitters, and it was really nice to get out of the house and get more perspective, because I truly would have sat in my apartment all day long. Life goes on, and sometimes things just change abruptly. Sometimes there's no build up. Sometimes it just happens and it explodes. But yeah, I need to get ready for this audition. I think I'm in a good, bad mood to film this audition because I'm in character. I'm in a darker mindset right now, so I think that fits the tone of the character. So we're really out here method acting. And then tonight, Chris and I are gonna be watching Euphoria because episode 5 is coming out. I posted on my Instagram story that like the past 24 hours have literally been emotional roller coaster for me, and so many of you guys are saying the same thing. So I don't know what's in the air, but I'm over it. Hello guys, it's a new day. I started off the day going to Trader Joe's because I'm going to a girls' picnic. I got the everything but the bagel potato chips. Those are like the best freaking potato chips ever. And then I also got a carrot cake. I've never seen these carrot cakes before, but they're so cute, and there's 4 of them. I'm getting out of my house to feel better, obviously, but also to just do something. And today I'm also babysitting at 4:30, so I'm going to have to head there. All right, and we're here. I love this spot so much. It's so beautiful and it never fails to amaze me. But also, I realized that I've never been up here during the daytime. Like, I've never been here at like 1 p.m. It's always been like 5 or 6 p.m. when the sun's going down, so it looks different in the daytime. I don't drink caffeine.
That is true. We're picnicking.
Yeah, we love some B-roll.
I have a cute hat.
You do? Yeah.
That's okay, you have to compliment your bag. This is why we have a picnic.
Little bunny.
Oh, don't eat that.
Hi. Oh, you said hi to the camera. Yeah. Oh, you're making faces. Okay. That's fine too. This apartment is a mess. I'm like, bacon, egg, and cheese.
What's good, baby?
Started off the morning with a meeting. I was so dumb. I keep getting confused with time zones, and I don't know why, because I've lived in LA for almost a year now, and it should not be messing me up anymore. But I set a meeting for 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I thought the meeting was at 2:30. But then I get a text from Katie being like, "Hey, are you ready to get on?" And I was sitting in bed, and I was like, "Give me 5 minutes. I'm up, but give me 5 minutes." Had a meeting. It was really, really good. And then today we're going to Cha-Cha Matcha. I still haven't been to the LA location yet. I went to the New York one when I lived in New York, but from what I remember, it was really, really good. So I'm going with my friend Tyla, and Khadijah, and Chris is coming too.
Word.
This apartment is dirty, so I'm staying in very similar
Don't tell them that.
angles.
This apartment is spottish clean.
It's spottish
Mary
clean.
Poppins. Don't show them. Is it made up?
No. I liked our home team.
You want me to put that back on?
That was a really good movie. It made me laugh so
Bro.
hard.
You don't know what happened 40 minutes?
No, yes I
Of that
did.
movie.
I knew he
Like-
was his son, okay?
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
We're watching Demon Slayer. I'm putting it on. That or all of us are dead.
No.
I'm just kidding.
Cheer, cheer, cheer,
Cheater.
cheer.
Cheer.
Yeah.
That's kind of his
We be vlogging. Yay!
What's good, vloggy vlog?
It's right here.
That was actually really good.
We missed it.
Guitars and superheroes and checks with lots of zeros on them. I love the sound of violins.
So guys, I was on the way to babysitting. The dad had asked me to come a little bit later, but I had already left early and it was like an hour later. So I was like, okay, I have time to go get sushi because I really want sushi. So I'm in Studio City and I went to Katsuya. I love their sushi, it's so good. I got a spicy tuna hand roll and I got a crunch roll and I'm gonna devour it right now. You're gonna give me the shot, right? Give me the shot. Oh, ow. That hurt. Is everything good?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll show you another.
Uh-huh.
No.
Ah. Good morning, guys. Today is Wednesday and I have 2 auditions actually. One is in person at 1:45 p.m. and this is actually for a video game, which is super fun. Guys, today was crazy. Why are you being a dancer? I have we went to McDonald's and literally we come back and my key is nowhere to be found. Like, we searched my entire purse, my entire car, and it's not there. And it's so weird because I never put it in my pockets. I had an audition, an in-person audition at 1:45, and here we are eating McDonald's in my lobby because the people that usually work here weren't in office at the time. They eventually helped us get into the apartment by using their key. Now I'm back home. The audition was good. They basically just put me on tape, so it was super easy, but I feel like Kim Possible in this shirt. Anyway, now I have so many other things to do today. Brand emails, editing, a ton of editing, so I'm gonna be home all day.
You sound so excited.
I am so excited. I'm just so tired. I'm gonna take a nap. Good night. Can I talk? Mind all of the recycling back here. At least we do it. This has been a thing that I've eaten for a long time in my life, and I just put Chris onto it recently, and it's a go-to meal for us. It's funny because it actually blew up on TikTok. It's like this salmon bowl, whatever. I do it so much better. I'm gonna show you guys how I put it together and do it. Is that what you brought up the other day?
Yeah.
What is it? Avocado. This is perfect. Oh my god, I almost like stabbed myself. This is the best salmon of all time. It's from Costco. There's like 3 different kinds, but it's for like salmon like platters, like appetizer type stuff, but I know him from something else recently. Next, I have for a kake seasoning. This one's actually not my favorite. This one's just from the Asian store, but there's one that I have back home in Charlotte that I like better, but I don't know where my mom got it from, so this does the job. And then this is a new creation that I've been putting on top. It's the crunchy chili onion oil from Trader Joe's. People have been putting this on like avocado toast and all that stuff, but I was like, let me try and put this in our sushi bowl. And I did it the other day and I'm never going back. It's so good. And that's the finished product. It looks like this. Oh, this looks beautiful. This sounds like someone's sharding out their entire inside. And then the most important ingredient is the seaweed. I was gonna forget, but this, iconic.